Hello everyone, my name is Van An. I'm a life coach and a certified master coach in neuro-linguistic programming. I help women heal, have a deeper connection with themselves, and reclaim their inner power. Today I have an exciting news to share with you. I've collaborated with 3 other amazing coaches to organize a workshop called Come Home to Yourself. In this workshop, you'll be inspired and guided on how to return home to yourself. Home is where you are free to be yourself, where you are loved for who you are, where your heart is filled with happiness, and where your femininity is fully expressed, and where your soul is at peace. If you're not feeling at home, maybe you are searching for it in the wrong places. Let us show you the way to come back home to yourself. The workshop is on the 17th to the 19th of November if you are from Australia or Asia. If you are from America or Europe, it will be on the 16th to the 19th of November. To register for the workshop, just type home in the comment section or DM me. I'll send you the link to register and the full schedule of the workshop. I hope to see you there.
I'm so honored and excited to be one of the speakers at the upcoming Come Home to Yourself workshop hosted by amazing Van An. In this workshop, I will be speaking about emotional intelligence, what it is, how it works, how it changed my life, and how it can also help you improve your life. It is all about understanding and navigating our own emotions so we can be happier, healthier, and more successful. I hope you will join us on this incredible journey to self-love and emotional mastery. I'm looking forward to seeing you there.
I am absolutely delighted to be part of Come Home to Yourself workshop. For me personally, home is where the heart is, so coming home to yourself has a lot to do with self-love. I am going to share with you my own self-love story and how it helped me to completely transform my body. I lost 38 kilos to be precise, or nearly 80 pounds, 6 stone in weight. From my personal experience, I can say that loving yourself is often easier said than done, and that's why I'm going to share with you my own personal self-love formula, if you like, and how it works. I'm super excited for the workshop and I look forward to seeing you there.
I'm super excited for this 3 days online workshop, Come Home to Yourself, and I'm going to share one of my expertise about the embracing feminine energy for a fulfilling romantic love life. So, ladies, I'll see you there.
Anyone here would like to receive gifts? When you come to this workshop, you'll have a chance to receive amazing gifts from me and other speakers. There are a lot of scholarships to attend our coaching programs and a lot of ebooks full with values. So how to receive gifts from us? Very simple. All you need to do is to share this video on your social media or the graphics of this workshop and then tag me, or take a screenshot of your post and then DM me to let me know that you are entering the lucky draw. I'm so excited about this workshop and I can't wait until the day we begin. I hope to see you there.